Hello and welcome to RIT Digital Collections. In this video, I'll be going over how to use the Presentations feature. Presentations allow you to create slides of collection items from within the RIT Digital Collections platform. These can be used to present at a talk or lecture or sent to another user to view on their own device. Anyone can view public presentations by hovering over the Explore tab and clicking on Presentations and selecting one from the list or searching for one by keyword or creator. However, only members of the RIT community are able to create presentations. To get started, click on the Login button at the top and use the credentials for your RIT computer account. Once you're logged in, hover over the Create tab and click on Presentations. Start by entering a name for the presentation. Let's say we're making one about cats. Choose the aspect ratio, and then the privacy settings. Presentations can be public, private, or accessible with a password if you want to restrict access to a specific group of people, such as a class. You can also add an optional description. Once you're done, click Save. You'll then be asked if you want to open the presentation in Workspace. The Workspace, which opens in a new window, is where you create your slides by adding and manipulating the objects you want to include. At the very top of the screen is the slide number and description of the slide you are working on. The description can be edited by clicking on the Description button in the upper right corner. In the Presentations tab, which can be toggled open and closed, you can choose which presentation to work on, edit the information from earlier, create a copy of it, delete it, export it to a PowerPoint file, or play the presentation. You'll also be able to view, delete, and reorder your slides. A central area is your slide. At the bottom of the screen is the Media tab, where you can add items to your presentation. In order to add items, they will have to have been added to a media group ahead of time. For more information about creating and managing media groups, see our instructional video. If you have media groups set up with the items you want to add, click on the Media tab at the bottom and choose the media group. Then simply click and drag the item you want into the slide area. Please note that only singular still images can be added to presentations. Audiovisual and multi-page objects, such as books, will not be displayed in the presentation. You can include multiple items or even multiple copies of the same item in a single slide. You can also zoom into an image if there's a specific part you want to highlight. To add a new slide, click on New Slide. You'll be asked to add a description first, but this is optional. Use the arrows here to navigate between slides. To view your presentation, click Save and then click on Play Presentation. This will open a new window with the presentation. Use the arrows on the far right to move between slides. After you've left the workspace, if you need to view, edit, or delete your presentation, hover over Explore and then click on Presentations. Your presentations will be listed on the left and public presentations will be listed on the right. To view a presentation, just click on its name. To edit it, hover over the presentation you wish to alter. 3 icons will appear. The Edit icon will take you back to the workspace. The Edit Properties icon will allow you to change the title, description, aspect ratio, and privacy settings, and the Delete icon will, of course, delete it. Presentations are a great way to utilize and show the artifacts housed in RIT Digital Collections.